Hello, this is how we try for mass communication. We are again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you how you can back up your WhatsApp data in your iPhone 15, 15 Plus, Pro or Pro Max, or could be any other version of Apple device. In this, you have to go to your WhatsApp application, go inside. In WhatsApp, you have to go here at the bottom, setting option, go inside setting, go inside to chat. In chat, you see here, chat backup, export chat, here chat backup, go inside. Backup now, you can backup and you see auto backup weekly, you can put it as a daily backup. I put as a daily backup. And backup now, hit backup now, is backing up all your data. You have to wait, you see it's preparing. At the top is written 2.11 gigabytes, so it's backing up. It will take little bit time. Is done, so backup is done. It's faster, depend on your Wi-Fi or internet connection. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.